Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to your daily Bitcoin update. A little bit of a different setting if you notice. I'm at my parents' house, so yeah, there's that. Hopefully, quality is still good. I mean, the audio is perhaps a little bit different, but it should be fine enough. So, in this video, we'll talk about Bitcoin again. Yesterday, a pretty bearish day. In the end, we did finish. Or at least during last night, we actually did do pretty well. And right now, I would actually say that we are at a crucial point, technically. So that's what we will talk about in this video. If you remember yesterday, I still said that the most likely scenario in my eyes would be that we would respect the consolidation range that we are in right here. That we would respect this. Yesterday, we also found support at the 200 EMA, which is an amazing support. From there, we bounced back. And right now, the big question is, will we actually get more bullish momentum from that? Or will we just get a little bit of a bounce and then a continuation of the bearish momentum that we've seen since last week, Thursday? So that's what we'll talk about in this video. We'll do a full update. I'll tell you everything you need to know. But before that, I do want to bring your attention to GRAPE, which is a project I've partnered up with. The link will be down in the description. Amazing project. And I really believe so. Otherwise, I wouldn't have done these integrations of them. Amazing project. We'll make a video on them in about 2 days. But definitely check out the link down in the description. They're building a new layer 1 blockchain on different technology than normal blockchain technology, allowing it to be optimized for AI and gaming. And right now you can buy the GRP token via the link down in the description. So I would definitely recommend you to check that out at the very least. I'm not saying you should buy it, but definitely check out that project because I think it has some great potential. But now onto Bitcoin. All right, so what we've seen over the last 24 hours is again that the volume has actually stayed relatively the same. You can see it's down about 1.6%, which is pretty interesting. But in terms of technicals, like I said, we just tested, like purely technically, most of you know, if you zoom out, I still think we are in a fifth wave if we're talking about Elliott wave structure, right? So we had that first wave right here, second wave, third wave, fourth wave, and now we are in the middle of a fifth wave. I don't think we have hit the top yet. I still expect us to get up to 34,000, 35,000. Now, obviously, that could change. Obviously, the whole structure could be invalidated. And that's something we will see right now. As you can see right here, we have started some sort of bearish momentum since Friday or Thursday last week. And now, technically, we are still in a consolidation, right? So technically, I would say the most likely scenario still is, and yes, I genuinely do think so. I think the most likely scenario still is that we'll get up to 30,800 and perhaps even up to 31,300, and that will therefore respect the consolidation. Now, I must acknowledge that the momentum that we've seen over the last couple of days has been more bearish than I would have liked. So the thing is that right now we are testing the 236 and the 382 fib. So that's the area between 30,400 and 30,000. All right, that's the main area we are testing. I think we will find some resistance here, but I do think we'll get up to that 382 fib at around 30,400 if we respect that. So if we actually from there drop back down and we cannot break above that, let's say before Friday or before Saturday, we must do it this week, then I do think that we will actually continue more bearish momentum down below 29,700 and down to this support level around 28,800. Now, do I therefore think this is the most likely scenario? No. Like I said, I think for now there's no reason to assume that the consolidation will break. We found significant support at a significant support level. So I still think the most likely scenario is that we'll break above the 236 fib, find some resistance at the 382, and then continue to go on to our next resistance level around 30,900 and 30,800. I would say this is like with 65%, it's the most likely scenario. But we'll see. I mean, it really depends on how we react to this area. So I'll keep you updated on that. But for now, like I said, I'm still bullish on Bitcoin. So that's my take. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.